Good morning students, welcome back to information technology. Impressive web designing JavaScript lecture 4. The last lectures we have seen how to declare the variable in JavaScript. Also we have learned the use of data type in JavaScript. In these lectures you are going to learn operators in JavaScript. In that first operator you are going to learn, that is relational operator. A relational operator. So relational operators are used to check conditions or comparisons of operand. Result of relational operator is a boolean value, that is true or false. They are used in looping and control structures. For example, a equal 10 and b equal 30. If these two values, if you are going to compare with each others, you will get the result either true or false, using the less than operator, greater than operator, less than equal, greater than or equal, equal to and not equal. So example here, for example, a equal 10 and b equal 30. So if you use the less than operator in that, so a less than b, the result will come true. If you use greater than sign, then a greater than b, result will come false, because a is 10 and b is 30. Less than or equal to, a less than equal to b, the result will come true because it is less than 30. Then greater than or equal to, greater than or equal b, false, because a is not greater than b, that's why the result will be displayed false. Now equal to, a equal to b, a is equal to b, a's value is 10 and b's value is 30, so how it will be equal, that's why the result will display false. And not equal to, so a is not equal to b, if the conditions found true, it display the false value, otherwise true value. Now this condition is not a true, that's why they are true, that's why the result will display the true. Okay, so next is logical operator. We are going to see the example in the programming how to use this operator. So logical operators are used to verify more than one condition at a time or to negative the condition. So JavaScript has three logical operators. The first one is AND operator. This operator evaluates to true only when all its operands are true, means all the conditions found true, then this operator will display the true result, otherwise false result. Any one condition found false, it display the false result. For example, variable age equal 25 and variable salary equal 50,000. Now see, if age is greater than 55 and salary greater than 25,000, in this first condition evaluate to false and second condition evaluate to true, because salary greater than 25,000, your salary 50,000 is given, here age 25. So here age 55, the first condition evaluate to false and the second condition evaluate to true, so that whole expression returns boolean value as a false, means here you will get a result false. As we know that an operand require all the conditions true, then the result will be displayed true. The next, it is opposite of the AND, or this operator evaluates true when any one of the operand is true, means any one condition found true, it display true result, otherwise false result. For example, variable number equal -1, and if number is less than 0 or number is greater than 100, so in these first conditions evaluate to true and the second condition evaluate to false, so whole expression is returns boolean value is true, means one condition is found true, that's why the result will come true. Now next operator is not. This unary operator is used to invert the boolean expressions, means expression return boolean value as a false when the conditions found true. So variable z equal 0, means if z equal not equal to 0, like this condition is given, then the value will be displayed false, because the conditions what is saying not equal 0. That's why the result is displayed false. So now let's see how to use in the program. So in the program, if you are going to use, then you are going to write a program like this. The HTML tag will remain same, that is doc type HTML, then HTML body. The first program we are going to write JavaScript relational operators. How to use the relational operator? Look here, this less than sign, greater than sign in a program, and we'll check the output. Now we are going to assign 5 value to the x and display the value of the comparison. So when you are writing JavaScript in HTML, you must use the script tag. So script language equals JavaScript. So variable x equal 9. Now variable x equal 9, or you can assign the value x 5 to the x. So here we are written in the paragraph, that's why I'm going to use the 5 value here. Then we can write document.write x less than 10, x less than or equal 10, or x greater than 10. The first value what is given here, first less than, so we'll try the first less than and then greater than, less than. Now look here, x equal 5, document.write I have written x less than 10, means the value of x is less than 10. If we display, then result will be displayed true, otherwise it will display false. Now save this program and open in the browser and check what result you are getting. You got a result true because the x value is less than 10. 5, we have assigned the value 5, that's why it is less than 10, so result is displayed true. Okay, if you change the operator greater than, then you will see the result different. Now open in the browser and see the assigned value to the x is 5 and the condition is given x greater than 10, so that's why the value is displayed false. Okay, so next, less than equal to. How to use less than equal to? In this, either you are going to find out the value a is less than or equal to b, means suppose a is equal to 10 and b equal 30. Here a is less than b, the first condition is true, that's why the result is displayed true. Okay, so let's see how we can use. So here we can use x less than equal 10. Now see, here you will find the result true because x value is less than 10. Now save this program and open in the browser and see you got a result true because x value is less than or equal to 10. So it is less than but not equal to 10 because 5 here it is assigned, that's why the result is displayed true. Okay, next, greater than or equal to. Let's see, we'll put a greater than or equal to and we'll check greater than or equal. So greater than or equal, here x value is 5 but it is not a greater than 10 or not a equal to 10. So save this, open in the browser and find out assigned value is 5 but it is not greater than 10, that's why the result is displayed in the false boolean value. Okay, so like this we can use equal to and not equal to also, so we'll get a result false or true. Let's check logical operator, how to use logical operator in the program. To use logical operator in the program, the first logical operator is given, that is and as you know that this operator will check all the condition in the program, all conditions found true, it displays the true value, otherwise false value. Let's check in a program how to write this. By using AND operator, it return true if both expression or conditions are true, otherwise it return the false value. Now we use here script equals JavaScript or script tag we use, and variable x equals 6, variable y equals 3. These two value I have taken. Now I'm comparing both the value, these two conditions. So here document.write x less than 10 and y greater than 1. See, the x less than 10 means x less than 10, x value is 6 but less than 10, and the y value is 3 greater than 1, means both the conditions are true over here. That's why the result will be displayed true. Check it. Open in the browser, see the result is displayed true. So when it will display false, any one conditions found false. Now I am writing here x greater than 10 and y greater than 1. So second condition is correct, and the first condition x greater than 10. So check both the condition and what result you are getting, the false value, because any one condition found true, it display the true false value. Both the condition require true, then it will display the true value. So next we are going to check, that is OR. This operator will display the true value if any one condition found true. Any one condition remain true, you will get a true result, otherwise false result. Let's check. In the OR, x equals 6, I have defined x value to the 6 value to the x and 3 value to the y. So here 6 and 3, so x equal 5 or y equal 5. X equal 5 or y equal 5. Any one conditions found true, it display the true result, otherwise false. So now here x equal 5 and y equal 3. Let's check what result we get. Open in the browser and check. Here true result, because one condition is found true, another one remain false, so that's why it display the true value. Any one condition found true, it display the true result. Next is not. The operator is telling itself not, means the inner operator is used to invert the boolean expressions. Means if the conditions is true, then it display the result false, and if conditions found false, it display the result true. Now here variable z equal 0, means this is the this condition is true, but we are using not. We are saying no, not z is not equal to 0. That's why the result is display false. Let's check in program how to use it. Now in the program I have used here variable x equals 6, variable y equal 3, and document dot write I have written here x is not equal to y. X is not equal to y, means this expression or these conditions found true, then result will be displayed false, and if this condition found false, then result will be displayed true. So save this program and open in the browser and check what result you will get. The result you got true first condition and the second condition false. So there are two conditions are there, so you got a two values. The first conditions not you said, because this actually x is not equal to y, and in the second condition x is not greater than y. So this second statement result and the first statement was correct, that result you got a wrong, that result you got a true, and the second was true, that result you got a false. So that is the difference between not, or, and the and operator in JavaScript. So while using and operator, or operator, and not operator, you must find out how you want to write a program, how you want result, and depend on the result you can use the operator and, not, and, or. Let's see next. These are the logical operators we can use in the program when we write the program. Next, increment and decrement operator. Increment operator in JavaScript is used to increment the value of variable by 1. Now variable by some variable a equal 100 and you want to increase the value by 1, then b equal plus plus a, or variable b equal a plus plus. So increment sign is given by 2 plus sign. A plus plus is given, then the value will be seen of a equal 100, that is a 101. So the value will increase by 1. The second one, post increment, is there. The post increment, while using the pre increment and the post increment, you have to use plus sign after the variable, and before the variable if you use, then that is called the pre increment. The value, but the result will remain same. Value of variable x is incremented before it is used in the expression, and here post increment value of variable x is incremented after it is used in expression. So pre decrements, if you want to see the result of the variable a by using pre-decrement, the value of variable x is decrement before it is used in expression. So here you are going to use the minus minus a, then you will get a value 99 here, and here also 99 you will get if you use the minus minus a. But here post decrement is there, and here pre-decrement is there. So the output of the program you will get like this. In comment in JavaScript, so comments are non-executable statement in program, and comments are used to provide information or explanation about your programming constructions. Suppose you are writing any expression over there, but you want to see why you have written that expression or the condition. So that instruction, if you are given over there, then you can use the single line comment over there. Single line comment begin with the 2 forward slash. JavaScript ignore everything from the 2 forward slash to the end of the line. Okay, so multi-line comment are used to comment on more than one line. It start with asterisk sign and end with the asterisk sign. So here where you want to pass the comment, there you are going to use the forward slash and then end with the asterisk and the forward slash like this. So this will be the comment in a JavaScript program. Now commonly used built-in function in JavaScript are: the function is used to perform repetitive tasks whenever required. It is reusable code block that will be executed when it is called. Now let's see how to use these functions. Mostly when we write a JavaScript program, we use the alert function, prompt function, confirm function, lowercase to convert uppercase into lowercase, or lowercase to uppercase. So this function we use. Or when we write any program for addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, we can use the pass integer and pass float functions. So let's see one by one function how to use in the JavaScript. So now the first function we are going to see, pass integer, and this function is used to pass a string and convert it into a number. This function is used to pass a string and convert into number. String means the text. When you enclose any number with double inverted code or single inverted code, it become a string, and that string you are given to the JavaScript by using pass integer, it will convert into the number. For example, if you are written 100 in double inverted code, it become a text, and that will be converted into the 100. So let's see how to use this. Let's see how to use pass integer function in JavaScript program. So in the JavaScript program, you are going to write here a equal pass integer, and then the string you have to enclose with a double inverted code. For example, 100. So when any value is enclosed with a double inverted code, it become a string, means text, and this text value will be converted into the numbers. That is the use of pass integers. Pass integers functions, look here, pass integer function is used to pass a string and convert it into a number. So now it will convert into the number. Let's see whether it is converting number or not. So document.write pass integer value is a, because a is the variable, it is stored that value, pass integer value is stored in the a. Now save this program, open in the browser and check it whether you got output or not. So you got an output program to find pass integer value of a string. The string removed and the value is displayed. Your number is displayed, means it is converted into the number. So next, pass float. This function is used to pass a string and convert it into the floating point representation, same like a pass integers. Let's see what output you are getting in this. I'm changing the heading of this. This function is used to pass a string and convert into floating point representation. Look here, 100.30 I'm writing. This become a string, but here I am changing the function pass float. So this function will convert the string into a floating point representation. Save this program and open in the browser. See here it is converted into the floating number. So the string is converted into floating point representation. Next function is alert function, and it display alert pop-up box with the OK button, and this is also called as a message box. Let's see how this function work. Wherever you want a pop-up box, there you can insert this function. Now I'm inserting here alert functions. So alert function, in this you can write any message, what message you want to display on the screen. So I'm writing welcome to JavaScript. Welcome to JavaScript. This message I want to show first, and then the value will be displayed. Now save this program, open in the browser and check it. See the first pop-up message kept welcome to JavaScript. Once you click on this pop-up message, the result will be displayed. Okay, this is the use of the alert function. Now we are going to see the next function, that is confirm function, and these functions also display the message box, but with the OK and cancel button. You want to cancel, then click on the cancel button or the OK button to proceed ahead. Okay, so it's written true and cancel returns false value. Let's say how to use this confirm option function in a JavaScript program. So instead of alert function, you can write confirm, and then what message you want, that you type in a double inverted code. Save this program, open in browser and check whether you are getting two buttons, OK and cancel button. See welcome to JavaScript, OK and cancel. You want to cancel, click on the cancel button, or you can click on OK button to proceed. So that is the use of confirm function. It will display the confirmation message on the screen. So next function is the prompt function, and this function is used to input a value from a user at the time of program execution and display OK and cancel button. So OK button return input value, cancel button return null value. So here we use the prompt function with the variable. So let's see how to use the prompt in JavaScript program. So other tag will remain same. Body background color I have given here yellow. Then program to find product of two number using prompt function. Here I am asking the user to enter the first number. For that I will display the prompt input text box on the screen, as well as this for the second number also the prompt will come, and then user will enter the first number and the second number. Once he enter the first and second number, it will be display the product of two numbers by using the formula C equal A into B. So document dot write product of two numbers. Multiplication means product of two number, and the result is store of these two number in C variable. So C variable you are going to use over here. So save this program. Now say for that a variable A, B and C, these three variable you are going to take. The first variable A equal prompt, you have to write here A equal prompt, enter first number. B equal prompt, enter second number. So C equal A into B, and then the result is stored in the C that you are going to display by using document dot write function. So save these programs, open in the browser and check. See the prompt input box displayed. Here you are going to enter the number, which number you are going to enter. For example, I am going to enter the 10 number. This is the first number is over. Click on the OK button. The second pop-up means input box came. So enter the second number. Enter second number 20 and click on OK button. So you will get a result, that is product of two number is 200. 10 multiplied by 20. So that is the use of prompt function in JavaScript. So next function is lowercase and uppercase. Suppose any string you want to convert into the lower or the uppercase, you can use to lowercase function or to uppercase function. So let's see how to use this function uppercase or the lowercase. So to use the lowercase or uppercase, the variable you are going to take first any variable. For example, a b c, I use the string str, and I have written that text which I am going to convert, or the string which I am going to convert uppercase to the lowercase. So it is written in the uppercase JavaScript. Suppose you want to type any other text. For example, you want to type Don Bosco. So you can write that string over here, and then the function you are going to use with the variables str. So str dot to lowercase, this function will display the variable text into the lowercase. Save this program and open in the browser, so it will display the text in lowercase. Similar way, the same program you can use for the uppercase. Only here string you are going to change, where the capital letters are there you are going to write small, and the function you are going to change to lowercase is there to uppercase. The other things will remain same. Document dot write, and then the variable name, this str is written over here, this variable name here you are going to put. Save this file and open in the browser, and see the lowercase string is displayed in the uppercase. Okay, so this is the use of JavaScript functions. So commonly used built-in function in JavaScript, just now we are seeing, that is pass integer, pass float, alert, prompt, confirm, lowercase to uppercase, etc. So alert, prompt and confirms are Windows functions. We can use it without the Windows prefix. So I hope you understood all these functions, as well as the different operator, that is relational operator, logical operator and increment and decrement operators.